guys out there in the math world? This is Mr. Ellison again. Welcome back to another episode of Mr. Ellison's Math Minute. Now today what we're going to do is we're going to talk about a subject that's a little difficult for some people to comprehend at first, and with my students in particular, they didn't have any problem at all understanding it. But for a few people, there's always that person that struggles with this concept, and it's called order of operation. Now, when we do order of operation, there's an order in which you do each operation. There's parentheses, there's multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, and exponents. Now, there's a cutesy little way that you can use, and it's known the world round on how to solve an order of operation problem. Now, the way you solve this problem is through a process called PEMDAS, which is P-E-M-D-A-S. Now, for the PEMDAS, the P is the parentheses, and the E is the next order, exponents. Take care of your exponents first. The M is for multiplication. The D is our next operation, division. The A is the addition operation, and then the S is the subtraction operation. And we do those in order, okay? Now, one thing I've shown my kids is a way to do it to where if you do it like this, you get it right every single time. Unless, of course, you make a little math mistake. But 99 times out of 100, you will get it right if you follow this way. There's many other ways, but I found a way that makes you focus on one operation at a time. Now, we're going to look at a problem, okay? We're going to look at 18 divided by, in parentheses, 9 minus 3, and close parentheses, plus 20. Now, right off, this may seem like a pretty daunting problem to some people, but it's really easy to solve if you do things in order. You take your time, and you just solve it level by level until you get down to a single answer. Now let's get started. Now, the first thing we want to look at is in this operation, we have a division operation, we have a parentheses operation, and we have an addition operation. Now inside that parentheses, there is a minus, okay? Now, or a subtracting operation. Now, I'm going to tell you something. Whenever it comes to parentheses, you always want to do them first. You always want to do them first. It doesn't matter what's operations inside. You want to do whatever's in parentheses first and work outward. Okay? Now, even though this is a subtraction operation, inside the parentheses, we still want to subtract first because it is a parentheses operation. So let's go ahead and do that. And what I like to have my kids do is box the operation that they will be doing, and have them do one operation at a time. So we have 9 minus 3 in parentheses, which gives us a 6. And then after we bring our 6 down, we're going to bring down everything else, okay? We're going to bring down our 18. We're going to bring down our divided by symbol. We're going to bring down our plus and our 20. Now, in our next level, we have two operations. We have a division and we have an addition. Now let's go ahead and look. In the order of operation, we have our addition, we have division, but division comes first, okay? So we're going to take our division, 18 divided by 6, and we're going to box it. That's the operation we're going to focus on, okay? Now, 18 divided by 6 is 3. So we'll bring down our 3, and then we'll bring down our plus, and bring down our 20. Now the only operation we have left is an addition, okay? So we'll add our 3 plus our 20, and that's the operation we're going to focus on, and we'll get 23. And there's our answer. Now, whenever you do an order of operation problem, the steps get smaller until you have one single answer. It's almost like a funnel. And once you get done with an order of operation problem, it should look kind of like a funnel or a V down to the answer. There's how you solve an order of operation problem. Sometimes they get a little complex and they're really long, and then sometimes they're really short. But Overall, all in all, this is how you solve an order of operation problem. There are many ways to solve them. This is just one of Mr. Ellison's favorite ways. Feel free to try whatever way works for you, but just understand that this is a way that works, and if you want to try it, be my guest. Thank you for coming out for Mr. Ellison's Math Minute. I had so much fun doing this, and I hope you got something out of this lesson, this little online tutorial, and I look forward to seeing you in the future. Have a wonderful day. Bye.